I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Mailify. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for account ID and API key, please visit Mailify API token. Click on your profile from top right corner. Click on Setting. Then click Developers. Then click Add an API key. Here, give a meaningful name as you want. Copy account number and key and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select List. Now map the fields. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mailify. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now let's go to the Mailify. Here is the data that came into Mailify through the integration. Thanks for watching.